You just finished reading a chapter, and you feel like you understand it. But what happens when someone asks you to explain it? You might stumble over the words and realize you don't know it as well as you thought. The teach-back method is one of the most powerful study tools you have. It forces you to move from passive learning to active mastery. Here is how you can use this simple yet effective strategy. Let's explore how. The power of teach-back: how to master content by explaining it. 1. Find your audience. You don't need a formal classroom. You can teach a concept to a family member, a friend, or a coworker. Even a pet or a stuffed animal works. The goal is to get the ideas out of your head and into words. 2. Explain it in simple terms. If you can't explain a complex topic in simple language, you probably do not understand it well enough yet. Use simple words and analogies. This process forces you to break down the material to its core components. 3. Check for understanding. After you explain a concept, ask your audience if it makes sense. Their questions or confused looks will show you where your explanation was weak. This feedback is a crucial part of the process. 4. Use an analogy. A great way to explain something complex is to compare it to something your audience already knows. Think about how a concept from your class is similar to a simple, everyday task. This makes abstract ideas concrete. 5. Start with a why. Before you jump into the what and how, explain the importance of the topic. Tell your audience why this information matters. A strong why makes the content more engaging and easier to remember. 6. Make it a two-way conversation. Don't just lecture. Ask your audience questions to keep them engaged. You can ask them to provide an example or explain a part of the concept back to you. This makes the session more dynamic and interactive. 7. Rephrase and refine. After you teach it, go back and revise your notes or summary. Use what you learned from the experience to make your explanation better. This final step solidifies the knowledge in your brain. The teach-back method is a game changer. It is a powerful way to master content. You can master a topic by explaining it in simple terms, checking for understanding, and refining your own notes based on the experience. This process transforms your understanding and helps you truly own the material. Please share this video on social media and with your classmates. And don't forget to browse our YouTube channel for more test preparation and study strategies. Also, do your instructors and program know they can request samples and review CBL Math, Reading, or ESL textbooks by contacting us today? The CBL team, a reliable partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.